Hey gang, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers, standing beside this 94 Type 964 Porsche 911 Speedster. Killer car. What I like about it is it harkens back to the early 356s, the first Speedsters built by Porsche, and has really taken what I think a lot of integrity and cues from the original. You know it's a Speedster as soon as you see it. It's got all the identifying characteristics. And we get into a class of car that is a lot more modern, certainly a lot more drivable and fun. But what I love about this car mostly is actually the drivability. It's got about 35,000 miles on it, serviced, clean Carfax, everything works the way it should. It's one of only 427 US examples for the US market. So very special car in that regard. So if you're looking for something that is low in production, not a seldom seen color, you gotta love this white. And the hardback Recaro buckets. This is really, really unique. Usually you could only get these on the European cars. None were shipped over originally. That had to be a special order. Iconic low windscreen again, and the car drives fantastic. So I've had the pleasure of taking the car out, putting it through its paces, shifts, drives, handles fantastic. It is a growing class of car, these 80s, 90s sports cars that are really starting to show themselves in the market, and they're still a little bit undervalued in my opinion. Like I said, only 427 of these were built for the US market. So if you're a Porsche fan at all, if you're a sports car fan at all, they run good, they drive fantastic, and most of all, they look awesome. So we're gonna sell this car April 29th right here in Auburn, Indiana at our auction facility. Come and see us if you like 964 Speedsters. This car is an incredible one to have. Perfect for your collection, perfect for you to drive. Come see us in Auburn, Indiana for the Enthusiast Tour and the Enthusiast Auction. See you then.